You have points to get across. How do you get people to look up, to pay attention? Video. Everybody loves video. It's got the wow factor, but it takes lots of money and time to make a video. I can help. Hi, my name is Mahedi, and I can make the media that moves. I create affordable animated explainer videos here on Fiverr.com. I work full-time at Fiverr.com, so that gives you a fast communication with me anytime from anywhere. My service includes everything you were looking for, from flawless script writing, professional voiceovers, high-quality, engaging animations, editing, and even revisions. I compile everything to create an awesome explainer or whiteboard video for you in a matter of a few days. I can create multiple styles and unique custom characters for any setting or job role and bring them to life with realist movement, expressions, and automatic lip sync. Read my reviews and order now to experience the difference right here on Fiverr.